Hello again, welcome to MasterCAM course. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about how can we handle that kind of product and manufacturing process in MasterCAM. This is actually a quite difficult part. You can also see that and the sum and the face is created and some local area and of course boundary is gonna created. And actually when we turn to the toolpath, we're gonna see some face toolpath and contour toolpath and some drilling process and pack drilling process, and we can also see the some pocket operation and to create our progress, and then we can also see the some contour toolpath, and then we can also see the some and standard pocket or finishing process, and then we can also see the open pocket operation for this area, and we can also see the contour ramp toolpath, and we're gonna see the some pocket operation for finishing process for this area, and then we can also see the pack drilling process and another pack drilling process and the pocket toolpath for and this area it's created, and then we can also see the some contour toolpath for finishing this area, and then we can also see the some pocket standard pocket operation actually here, and then we're gonna see the some roughing process. This is the actually rough pocket operation. It can be seen here, okay, and then let me turn to this page, and we're gonna see the some on the local roughing process here. This is actually surface rough pocket, and we can also see the contour toolpath here. We're gonna also see some scallop finishing process. We can also see the some actually and the constant scallop for this area. This one for this one. Let me turn to here. This is actually a local finishing process, and then we can also create extra and the surface finish scallop process for this little area. You're gonna see some little radius here to handle this stuff, and then I prefer to use the some transform toolpath, and then I prefer to use some actually finish contour toolpath for and this area, and then we can also see some surface finish constant scallop, and then we can also see some local constant scallop toolpath for this area, and then we're gonna see the sum and the finish contour toolpath for this area. So you know that in that approach it is quite easy for you to understand and which toolpath I should create and what is the main idea behind actually creating our toolpath. So this is quite similar to and create some puzzling operation. Actually you can use the contour toolpath and pocket toolpath. You can use the open pocket, and maybe you can focus on the local area, creating some actually different and constant or something like that. You can easily organize your and product in an effective way. Actually, it is quite easy to say that, and you can create your product by using the actually maybe 100 different solutions. So you need to get to know about and which one is the best for you. So that's the behind idea and about that course. Okay. Thank you very much. I really appreciated your interest.